What if I told you this $180,000 Plymouth GTX is one of the most desirable muscle cars ever built? Wait until you hear this 440 big block roar. The year was 1970, and the American muscle car wars had reached their peak. Every manufacturer wanted to build the fastest, boldest, and most unforgettable machine on the road. But Plymouth didn't just create another muscle car, they created a legend. Meet this breathtaking 1970 Plymouth GTX, a true Mopar masterpiece valued at an incredible $180,000. Built with massive V8 power, iconic styling, and rare factory features, this isn't just a classic car, it's a rolling piece of automotive history. Finished in the unmistakable lemon twist yellow, this GTX demands attention from every angle. The vibrant paint perfectly captures the bold personality of the muscle car era, while the contrasting black performance stripes emphasize its aggressive stance. Bright chrome accents sparkle under the light, giving the car a premium appearance that perfectly balances elegance and brute force. Then your eyes are immediately drawn to one of the GTX's most famous features, the legendary air grabber hood. More than just an aggressive styling cue, it was designed to feed cool, dense air directly into the engine, helping maximize performance while giving the GTX one of the most intimidating front ends ever designed. Underneath that iconic hood lives one of Mopar's greatest creations, a massive 440 cubic inch V8 engine. This legendary big block is famous for its incredible torque, thunderous exhaust note, and effortless acceleration. Equipped with its factory carburetor, the engine maintains the authentic character that collectors appreciate, delivering smooth power with every press of the throttle. Backing up this powerhouse is the legendary Mopar A833 4-speed manual transmission. Every shift feels mechanical, direct, and incredibly rewarding. Adding even more excitement is the iconic pistol grip shifter, one of the most recognizable shifters ever installed in an American muscle car. It transforms every gear change into an unforgettable experience. Power reaches the pavement through the rugged factory Dana rear end with a sure grip limited slip differential and 3.55-H1 gear ratio. This combination was engineered to deliver outstanding traction and explosive launches while maintaining comfortable highway cruising. It's exactly the drivetrain setup serious Mopar enthusiasts dream of owning. Despite all its muscle, this GTX is surprisingly enjoyable to drive. Power steering makes maneuvering effortless, while power brakes combined with front disc brakes provide confidence and improved stopping performance. These factory-inspired upgrades make the car feel just as comfortable cruising through town as it does dominating the open highway. Completing the aggressive stance are the timeless Magnum 500 wheels, wrapped in classic BFGoodrich Radial T tires, measuring 235 60R15 in the front and 260R15 in the rear. The staggered setup gives the GTX an unmistakable muscle car posture. From every angle, it looks planted, purposeful, and ready to unleash all 440 cubic inches. Open the door and you're welcomed into a beautifully restored black interior that perfectly complements the bright exterior. The front bench seat, finished in durable fabric and vinyl, delivers authentic period-correct styling while remaining comfortable for long drives. Directly ahead sits the iconic 3-spoke steering wheel, giving the driver a commanding view of the factory gauges. One of the standout features is the highly desirable Tic-Toc-Tach, combining a large tachometer with an integrated clock. It's one of the signature options that instantly identifies this car as something truly special. The dashboard retains its factory-style radio, preserving the original appearance while reminding you of an era when driving was all about the engine, the road, and pure mechanical connection. Every switch, gauge, and control reinforces the authenticity of this incredible muscle machine. Even practical details haven't been overlooked. The cabin includes factory seat belts, a clean vinyl headliner, and even the spare tire, highlighting the meticulous attention to originality that collectors value so highly. Lift the trunk and you'll find a beautifully finished cargo area, showing the same level of care found throughout the rest of the vehicle. Underneath, The restoration continues with a bedliner painted underside that offers durability and protection while maintaining an exceptionally clean presentation. The mechanical restoration is equally impressive. New hardware, a new fuel tank, new fuel lines, and new brake lines ensure reliability while preserving the factory appearance. Completing the package is a factory-style exhaust system that produces the unmistakable deep rumble every Mopar fan loves. Start the engine, and the massive 440 instantly comes alive with a rich, thunderous idle that sends chills through every muscle car enthusiast. Blip the throttle, and the factory carburetor responds instantly with a roar that echoes the glory days of American performance. Behind the wheel, every mile becomes an unforgettable experience. The combination of massive big block torque, the satisfying feel of the A833 4-speed manual, the confidence of the Dana rear axle, and the unmistakable soundtrack of the 440 V8 creates a driving experience that modern performance cars simply cannot replicate. It's easy to understand why examples like this command such impressive prices. A beautifully restored 1970 Plymouth GTX with a 440 V8, 4-speed manual, air grabber hood, sure grip differential, Dana rear end, and striking lemon twist yellow finish represents the very best of the golden age of American muscle. At $180,000, you're not simply purchasing a classic car. You're investing in one of the most celebrated Mopar icons ever built, a machine that continues to appreciate in value while delivering an unmatched blend of style, rarity, history, and exhilarating performance. If you love legendary American muscle cars like this incredible 1970 Plymouth GTX, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another amazing automotive icon. Which classic Mopar would you park in your dream garage? Let us know in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video.